हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल किड्स स्कूल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एग्ज़ाम। क्योंकि फर्स्ट टर्म एंड होने के करीब है और ऑलमोस्ट हर जगह पर फर्स्ट टर्म एग्जामिनेशन शुरू भी हो चुके हैं, तो हम इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम एक पोएम जनरेट करते हैं। तो मैं यहाँ पर चैट जीपीटी को प्रॉम्प्ट दे रहा हूँ that please generate a poem on the topic of exam. So I will add here, please generate a short poem on the topic of exam. So I am uploading. Okay, it's very good. The exam.
The clock ticks, the pages turn. Questions rise, some I learn. Pens in hand, the thoughts race. Seeking answers, finding grace. Nerves may shake, but I stand tall. One by one, I answer all. Through the stress, the pressure grows. But with each line, my courage shows. In the end, I'll take my flight, knowing I gave it all my might. The clock ticks, the pages turn. Questions rise, some I learn. Pens in hand, the thoughts race. Seeking answers, finding grace. Nerves may shake, but I stand tall. One by one, I answer all. Through the stress, the pressure grows. But with each line, my courage shows. In the end, I'll take my flight, knowing I gave it all my might.